Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your friends list from specific friends on Facebook using your PC. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile photo. Step 3. Go to Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Click on Settings. Step 5. Scroll down and find How People Find and Contact You. Step 6. Next to Who Can See Your Friends List, click on the button. Step 7. Select Friends Accept. Step 8. Choose the desired friends you want to hide your friends list from. Step 9. Finally, click on Save Changes. That's it. You have successfully hidden your friends list from specific friends on Facebook using your PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.